Good morning, students. In this activity, we are going to study about some terms related to reflection of light. Okay, what is reflection of light? We have just discussed it now. So, the bouncing back of the light by striking on a polished surface. Okay, so what are the terms we used in it? You can see it's a well elaborated diagram. The first thing is this beta, when the light comes and strike on the mirror. The light that strikes on the mirror is known as incident ray. Okay, so here the definition is also written. The ray of light that strikes the surface is called incident ray. This light which strikes the polished surface of mirror, and you always represent mirror like this. If you are represented it like this, then this is not a mirror. For mirror you have to show the polished surface. So the light that strikes the surface is called incident ray, and at the point at which it strikes, this point, this is known as point of incident. ये लाइट जहाँ आके मिरर के जिस पॉइंट पे टकराई उसको हम कहते हैं point of incidence. The surface at which the incident ray strikes the surface is the point of incident. The point at which the incident ray strikes the surface, this is the point. The point, or you can say the surface, both are correct. The point at which the incident ray strikes the surface is the point of incident. जहाँ पे वो टकराई, this O point is what? Point of incidence. Okay, so the next is reflected ray. Now what is the reflected ray? The ray of light which is returned back to the same medium after the incident ray strikes the surface is called reflected ray. The ray of the light which strikes back, same medium. See, they are in what? In the same place. It's not like here I am having water and here I am having air. In this whole surface, what we are having? Suppose we are having a air. So that is what? It is in same medium. Very important point, same medium. So this ray which goes back in that same medium after the incident ray strikes at the point of incident, that is known as reflected ray. The ray of light which is returned back the same medium after the incident ray strikes the surface is called reflected ray. Okay, the ray of light which is returned back to the same medium. Next is what is normal. This is marked as normal. This is beta the perpendicular drawn. कहाँ पे drawn हुआ अब? Point of incidence पे. Okay, the perpendicular drawn on the surface at the point of incidence. At the point of incidence is called normal. Fine, this is called normal. Now what is angle of incidence? Angle between normal and the incident ray is angle of incidence. And what is angle of reflection? The angle between the normal and the reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Once again I am just repeating all the definitions for you. The incident ray of light that strikes the surface is called, so the ray of light that strikes the surface is called incident ray. The point of incident, the surface at which the incident ray strikes the surface, or you can say the point at which the incident ray strikes the surface is the point of incidence. The ray of light which is returned back into the same medium after the incident ray strikes the surface is called reflected ray. The perpendicular drawn on the surface at the point of incidence is called normal. Okay, this is what the perpendicular here. Perpendicular to the surface, making 90-degree angle with the mirror. Making 90-degree angle with the mirror. So this is what? Perpendicular. Angle of incidence. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called the angle of incidence, and yes, it is represented by the letter small I. And the angle between the reflected ray and the normal is called angle of reflection, and it is represented by the letter small r.